Question number 9. A brooch is made with silver wire in the form of a circle with a diameter 35 mm, and the wire is also used for making 5 diameters which divide the circle into 10 equal sectors. Find the total length of the silver wire required. See, brooch means a sari pin. See, total wire or total silver wire used is the circumference plus 5 diameters are here. 1 diameter, 2, then 3, 4, 5 diameters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 diameters are there. So the length of the silver wire is equal to circumference of the circle plus 5 diameters, that is 2 pi r plus 5d, isn't it? Then what is r? Radius, the diameter is 35, so radius is 35 by 2 millimeters. Okay, that is 2 into 22 by 7 into r is 35 by 2 plus 5 into 35. Here look here this 5 times, this and this get cancelled, that is 110 plus 5 into 35, that is 175, that is equal to 285 millimeters. The length of the brooch, the length of the silver wire used to make the brooch is 285 millimeters. Then the second part of the question, we want to find out the area of each sector of the brooch. You can find here 10 sectors. Starting from here, 10 sectors are there. 10 sectors, that means a circle is divided into 10 equal parts. Then what will be area of one sector? That is pi r square by 10. Okay, that is 1 by 10 into pi r square. Or you can find out the angle here, because total angle is 360. Then it is divided by 10. Then each angle is 36 degree. So you can do like that also. 36 by 360 into pi r square. Area of the sector is equal to theta by 360 into pi r square. Here each angle is 36 degrees. So that way also you can do. Anyway, here this circle is divided into 10 equal parts. So area of each part is 1 by 10 into pi r square. Okay, that is 1 by 10 into, here that is 1 by 10 into pi 22 by 7 into r is, diameter is 35, so radius 35 by 2. That is here, this here 11 times, this 5, then this 5 here, 2 times. That is equal to 35 into 11 divided by 4. That is 35 into 11 divided by 4. That is equal to 385 by 4 millimeter square. That is area of each sector formed. An umbrella has 8 ribs which are equally spaced like this. And when assuming the umbrella to be flat circle of radius 45 cm, find the area between the two consecutive ribs of the umbrella. Okay, that means we want to find out area between two consecutive ribs. Two consecutive ribs means അടുത്തടുത്തുള്ള രണ്ട് ഇതിന്റെ ഇടയിലുള്ള area. Okay, so that means this area. Look here, a circle is divided into 8 equal parts. So area of each part is, you can take like this, 1 by 8 into pi r square. Okay, that is, what is r here? 1 by 8 into 22 by 7 into r is 45 into 45. Okay, this here becomes 11. It is 11 into 45 into 45. That is 22,275. 22,275 divided by here. Okay, 4 sevens are 28. That is 795.54 centimeter squares. Question number 11. A car has two wipers which do not overlap. Each wiper has a blade of length 25 centimeter. Okay, this is 25 centimeter. And each wiper wiping an area like this. That means this is a sector of radius 25 centimeter and angle 115 degree. This is the area sweeping by the first wiper. This is the area sweeping by the second wiper. Okay, then we want to find out the area swept by two wipers. Then this is a sector. Area of the sector is equal to theta by 360 into pi r square. Substitute the values in the formula. Look here, area cleaned by one wiper is equal to theta 115 by 360 into 22 by 7 into 25 into 25. That is, here this 5 will go here 23 times, here 72 times, and 2 will go here 36, here 11. That is 23 into 11 into 625 divided by 36 into 7. That is 1,58,125 divided by 252. That is 627.48 centimeter squares. This is the area swept by one wiper. Then area swept by two wipers is equal to this into 2. That is 1254.96 centimeter square. Okay. Question number 12. To warn ships for underwater rocks, a lighthouse spreads a red colored light over a sector of angle 80 degrees to the distance of 16.5 kilometers. Find the area of the sea over which the ships are warned. So we want to find out this area of the sector. Okay, area of the sector is equal to theta by 360 into pi r square. Here theta is 80 degrees, that is 80 by 360 into 3.14 into 16.5 into 16.5. Here 0 will cancel, here 4 will go here 2 times, here 9 times. So we get 1709.73 divided by 9. That is 189.97 kilometer squares. Question number 13. In this question, we want to find out area of the design. Look here, you can see 6 designs here. Each design is in the shape of a segment. How will you find out area of the segment? Area of the segment is equal to area of corresponding sector minus area of corresponding triangle. Okay, look here. See, how will you make a sector here? Look. Sector OAPB. Area of this part or area of this design is equal to area of the sector OAPB minus area of the triangle OAB. Okay, area of the sector is theta by 360 into pi r square. Then here what is theta? This angle. How will you find out that angle? Look here, you can divide. This is a regular hexagon. Okay, all the designs having same area. This is a regular hexagon. You can divide a regular hexagon into 6 equal triangles. Okay, 6 equal triangles. Look here, we can make 6 equal triangles here. So what will be this angle? That means this circle is divided into 6 equal parts, isn't it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 equal parts. Then what will be this angle or this angle? How will you find out? See, the total angle in a circle, that is 360. Here, divide how many parts? 6 parts. That is each angle 60 degrees. So this angle is 60 degrees. Then what type of triangle will be this? Triangle OAB. If this angle is 60 degree, this is an equilateral triangle. So area of this part or area of the segment APB is equal to area of the sector OAPB minus area of equilateral triangle OAB. Find out that area, this area first. Then how many such designs are here? 6 such designs. After getting this area, you multiply that by 6. Then you will get area of the design in the table cover. Look here, area of the sector is 60 by 360 into 22 by 7 into 28 into 28. That is this 10 will go here 6 times. Then here 2, 11 times, here 3 times. That is 11 into 28 into this 7 here 4 times. Okay. 11 into 4 into 28 divided by 3. That is 410.67. That is area of sector OAPB. Sector OAPB. Area of equilateral triangle OAB, root 3 by 4 a square. That is root 3 is 1.7 by 4 into 28 into 28. Then here you get 7. That is 333.2 centimeter squares. Now we want to find out area of segment APB. Area of the segment APB is equal to area of the sector minus area of triangle. That means 410.67 minus 333.2. That is 77.47 centimeter squares. That is the area of the segment APB. We want to find out the area of the whole design. That means how many segments are here? 6 segments. So area of the design is equal to 6 into 77.47. That is 464.82. Look here, total area of the design is 464.82. Then cost of making design is equal to 0.35 into 464.82. That is 162.68.